Hello everyone, start off by taking a section of the hair from the left side to begin with and now begin to braid it. As you progress with this braid, include sections of the hair from the right side and the right side only into it as you progress with it. In this way, this braid moves from the left to the right side and then back to the center. Now divide the bottom portion of the ponytail into 3 parts and begin to braid the hair as such. Once again, once you reach the bottom of this, tie a rubber band to it. Now, using your fingers, loosen the sides of this braid on either side. Once you are done with this, roll it upwards, make it into a bun and make a circular shape out of this bun as such. Add pins to it and now add decorative pins after you are done with this. Next, take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, and then, before you do this however, roll the hair in on itself. Now take a section of the hair from the left side, twist it, pull it through the top section of the hair. Take another section from the left side, twist it, pull it through the top section as such. Take the middle section you have created and once more repeat this step. Do this once more and now gather all of the hair together on the right side and begin to make a fishtail braid out of it and roll it upwards. Now use a bobby pin in order to fasten it in its place. Tie the bottom up and fold it over before you do so. Now add a decorative pin on the top of it. Next, take a section from the left side and now take a section from the right side, join it together in the back and add a rubber band to it. Roll the hair in on itself. Now take a small section of the hair from the left side bottom, add a rubber band in the middle of it and now roll it in on itself. Pull it through the top section that you have created. Once more repeat the step with another section of the hair right beside this. And now pull it through the top section as well. Before you roll it in on itself, pull it through the top after this. Make a braid out of the last section and roll it upwards, pin it up in place using a bobby pin. This is what it should look like. Next, take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back and now roll the hair in on itself. Divide the rest of the hair into 2 parts, make 2 ponytails out of it. Taking the left hand side ponytail, pull it through the top right side, taking the right hand side ponytail, pull it through the top left section. Now once you are done with this, take the excess amount of hair that is present and then you may tie a rubber band to it at the bottom, join it and then insert it in place underneath the bun that you have now created. Add a decorative pin at the top of it. Take 2 sections of the hair from either side, tie it up at the back, add a rubber band to the middle of the section that you have created. Roll the hair in on itself and now pull it through the top. Once you are done with this, make 2 sections at the bottom of the hair and starting from the left side, begin to make a normal braid out of the left section of the hair. Add a rubber band to it once you are done at the bottom. Do the same out of the right side, make a braid out of it and tie a rubber band to the bottom. Now roll this upwards and pull it through the top section. Roll it in on itself as such. Pull it through the sides as well, take the excess amount of hair present, add a rubber band to it and insert it underneath. Next, we'll start off by taking 2 sections of the hair from either side and tie it up at the back. Now, take a section from the left side, pull it through the top section, take a section from the right side, pull it through the top section once more. Take 2 more sections of the hair from either side and tie it up at the back. Taking the leftover portions of the hair as well, join these at the back. Pull out each of these sections and continue to do so at least 4 to 5 more times. Now, as you proceed to do it, this is what it should begin to look like. Moving on to the bottom of the hair, divide it 2 parts, make 2 braids out of it. Now, crisscross it, lift it up, fold it over and then pin it up in place. Thank you for watching.